Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2011 government pass question. Question number 18. The question here says one essential duty of a citizen to his state is to dash. One essential duty of a citizen to his state is to dash. Now, when we talk of citizen, a citizen is a bona fide member of a state, and he or she has responsibility to do, and that is why the question is asking the duty or responsibility of a citizen. Option A say pay his tax, B say encourage other citizens to be loyal, C say support the government in power, D say recite the pledge. No, although they are also expected from citizens. The citizen can encourage citizens to be loyal, to be law abiding. The citizens can also support government in power by obeying simple instruction, carry out simple civic duty, then recite the pledge when necessary. But the essential one among this list is option A, which is pay his tax. So it's the responsibility of a citizen to pay tax, or all citizens to pay their tax, so that government can have resources or capital to implement policies as promised to them. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.